Hi, I am Hamad Fiazi, and here I am with my sweet little pretty daughter. And in this video, I'll very honestly review a brand new product called 0 to 10K, and I'll try to wrap it up in 7 minutes. And that's why I ask a question: do you have 7 minutes for your dream life? But don't mind if it extends a couple of minutes. Plus, if you watch till end, I'll show you 3 awesome gifts I have for you. So it is a very comprehensive review and in a very short time, and for better understanding I dissect it in 9 sections, and here are the 9 sections, and we'll go through each of them one by one. So the first section is analysis of the sales page. I'll show you the sales page. Here is the sales page of the product 0 to 10K. And let's see what they say in their sales page. So they say 30 top affiliate marketers give you their secrets. Dr. Samir, who is the creator of this product, he interviewed 30 marketers and get their secrets and bundled it with an automated software. So with software you can create reviews, and with these 30 secrets of these marketers, these are top marketers, you have everything you need for making money online, and you don't need any experience, and you don't require any email list, and you literally no budget, no cash is required for this. So here we are on our slides. 30 top affiliate marketers, automated software, no experience, no email list is required, and this software is set and forget type. You set it once and then it will automatically work by itself, and you just have to copy what these successful marketers do. So here are some testimonials from these top internet marketers. Here's Mike and Todd Gross and Cindy is here, and they listed all of these 30 marketers here, and it's not just something fake or scam, but they are the real gurus. They are the real internet marketers earning anywhere between $10,000 to $30,000 per month dollars. So it's a real thing. And here is our next section. What is the earning potential, income proof of 0 to 100K? Well, the program has the potential to make you around $1,000 every single day. You see here, in a day, it's a day earning. Imagine where your life would be if you have this kind of earning. Imagine all your financial problems vanished and you live a peaceful life with this kind of thing. Or even if you get success in earning half of that, what if you can earn $500 a day, $500 every day? And here are some more earning potential. But these are the earnings of the top internet marketers. So 5,000 per day and 2,000 per day. For as a newbie, I think it's more than sufficient if you are able to earn $500 per day, and it's a much greater thing. Next section, who are the creators? Dr. Samir Joshi and Ankur Shukla are the creators of this amazing product 0 to 100K. Both are experienced and real gurus, and when I see them I know that something big is coming. So here is our next section. What are the 7 reasons to buy this 0 to 10K? There is no guessing game. You know what is the number one problem of newbies? They have no game plan. They don't know which path to follow and what to do next. In this state they quit quite early. So 0 to 10K solves this problem and keep you on track. Then you don't have to write your own reviews. Reviews are all done for you. The software Raptor review does all this for you, and there are no social media confusions. Normally after writing reviews you have to promote it through all social media, a lot of manual work, and but with this 0 to 10K you are safe from all this manual task, and it's a newbie, beginner friendly, and you get free traffic. No budget, no cash is required, which is a very intimidating factor for newbies, and you can scale it up, and it requires a very less amount of time, 30 minutes per day, that all it takes. So what's the price? The price of this main course, the 30 interviews of top internet marketers, and the review Raptor. You get both of the things of $17, and price will rise with every sale. So it's better if you hurry up. And this is a very high value course. It's just for pennies. $17 is nothing if you get the results which I have shown in income potential section. So there are some upsells, O2Os, one-time offers and upgrades, and there are 4 upgrades. The first upgrade is 0 to 10K full Monty. It costs $37, and it includes the interviews of all top marketers, and they share with you how to get lots of traffic and visitors to your site. And second O2O is lead Raptor. It's $47, and with this you can start list building on a cloud-based software with just few clicks. There is actually no recurring fees for this. And O2O3 is commission Raptor, and it costs $47, and it's done for you email marketing, professionally written email swipes for top conversions. You can send these done for you emails to unlimited number of subscribers. And here is the fourth one. So my advice, which O2O you should go for, it depends upon your current level of internet marketing. If you have less visitors, then O2O1 is must for you. And if you have a list of email subscribers, then go for O2O2. And if money is not problem, then you can go for O2O3 and 4 also. These all O2Os become your power pack of business package. So next section, what you will get inside members area. When you visit members area, you will find a welcome video from Samir Joshi. Then you receive 30 interviews of gurus, and they share their success secrets with you. And next is review Raptor software, and this software it done everything for you. It will populate your blog with the reviews, and with just few clicks you can start earning big commissions. So 7 minutes are up, and we have almost finished our review. Here are pros and cons. The pros of this 0 to 10K is it consists of 30 expert advices, and it's very hard to fail with this kind of information. It's tried and tested method, and you have an automated software. You don't have to dig it out yourself. It will save your time and money and all the energies. It's a very beginner friendly, and you can start earning in days, not to talk of weeks or months. And the traffic methods are included in that, and you have step-by-step video training. So these are the pros, and there is actually no con, and there is actually no negative side. But when you get everything automated, you never knew how blogging works, how to make sales. So this kind of con is covered up by my gift. I'll gift you how the blogging works, and my bonuses and my gifts will cover that. And finally, here are my 3 gifts to you. I don't like to call them bonuses, because bonuses are like bribes. These are the high quality gifts. These are no junk PLRs. And the gift 1 is blogging advice for beginners. If you are a beginner, how you can start your own blog and how you can make high profits with your blogs. There are some secrets inside. And gift number 3 is killer blogging conversion tips, and you can get these gifts if you have and you can enjoy all these gifts. These gifts are as a gratitude. I'll give you these gifts if you buy this product 0 to 10K through my link. And finally, thank you for watching this review. If you have any question or comments, please write them below. Visit my site hamadkf.pro for more detailed review. Thanks again.